Today, I want to tell you about 6 things you should remove from your home. These things might be blocking your good luck and keeping you stuck in the same place. What I'm going to share is very important and could change things for the better in your life. This might sound simple, but it really works. When you make these changes, you might be surprised by how your life starts to improve. Here's something important to know first. Everything around us has energy. This energy can either help you succeed or hold you back. So listen carefully to what I'm going to share. By changing these small things in your home, you could open the door to better things in your life. Are you ready to learn what these 6 things are? 1. Clothes. You no longer wear. Old clothes in your closet are more powerful than you might think. Every piece of clothing you own tells a story and holds memories, just like a photo album you can wear. Think about it. That jacket from your old job might remind you of tough times, or that dress might bring back memories of a relationship that ended. Even when these clothes just hang in your closet, they're like little memory boxes that keep you tied to the past. Maybe you have work clothes from a job you didn't like, outfits that don't fit anymore, but you keep just in case. Clothes from a different time in your life that you've outgrown, special occasion clothes you haven't worn in years, or items with tags still on them that make you feel guilty. When you keep these clothes, it's like having a closet full of old stories that might be holding you back. They take up not just physical space, but also mental and emotional space. It's like trying to walk forward while carrying heavy bags. It slows you down and makes everything harder. These clothes can affect your daily life in ways you might not notice. When you open your closet and see that pile of clothes that don't fit, it might make you feel sad or frustrated. When you spot that expensive dress you never wear, it might remind you of money wasted. All these small negative feelings add up over time. Think of your closet like a garden. If it's too crowded with old plants, new ones can't grow. The same goes for your life. When you hold on to old clothes, you might be blocking new opportunities, relationships, and positive changes from coming in. Ready to make a change? Start by looking at your clothes with fresh eyes. Ask yourself, does this piece of clothing make me feel good right now? Does it belong in my future? Or is it just a piece of my past? Now is the time to make a real change. Free yourself from the past by letting these pieces go. Before parting with them, hold each item in your hands and feel gratitude for everything it represented in your life. Perhaps it brought you good memories or marked a significant moment. Thank it for that. Then let it go with lightness. If the item is still in good condition, donate it. It could be a blessing for someone in need. If not, dispose of it. By doing this, you create space for the new and allow energy to flow freely and be renewed. Try this symbolic act of letting go and notice how your energy and the environment around you transform. By releasing what no longer serves you, you start attracting new opportunities, a lighter mindset, and a sense of renewal in your life. 2. Broken or damaged items. Let's talk about the broken things in your home. You know that lamp that stopped working months ago, the cracked mug you keep meaning to fix, or that chair with the wobbly leg. We often keep these broken items around thinking, I'll fix it someday, or it's not that bad. But these items might be affecting your life more than you think. Think of your home as a peaceful garden. Now imagine having dead plants in that garden. They don't make the garden look or feel better, do they? Broken items work the same way in your home. That crack in your mirror isn't just a crack. It's like a little spot of negative energy in your space. Every time you walk past these broken things, something interesting happens. Maybe you see that broken clock and think, I should really fix that. Or you grab the pot with the loose handle extra carefully. These small moments of worry or frustration add up, even if you don't notice them. It's like having tiny rain clouds following you around your house. Here's what you can do. Look around your home with fresh eyes. Make a list of everything that's broken. Decide, can it be fixed? Is it worth fixing? If you can fix it, do it now, not next week or next month. If you can't fix it or it's not worth fixing, thank it for its service and let it go. When you finally fix or remove these broken things, you might feel a weight lift off your shoulders. It's like clearing the clouds away and letting the sun shine in. Your home becomes more peaceful, and you might notice good things starting to happen more often. Remember, keeping broken things is like telling the universe you're okay with things being broken in your life. When you fix or remove them, you're sending a powerful message that you're ready for better things to come your way. Shoes. Think about your shoes for a moment. They're not just things you wear. They carry you through your life every day. Your shoes tell a story about where you've been and where you're going. When you wear old, dirty or broken shoes, it's like telling yourself and others that you don't care about your journey. Look at your shoes right now. Maybe you have scuffed and dirty pairs you never clean, old shoes with holes that you keep wearing, shoes that hurt your feet but you still keep them, or pairs that are falling apart but you can't let go. Those once nice shoes that now look tired and sad are sending a message you might not want to send. These worn-out shoes might be sending the wrong message to yourself and the world. It's like trying to start a new journey with a broken compass. It just doesn't work well. You wouldn't start a new chapter in your life with old, heavy baggage. So why walk into your future with shoes that drag you down? The good news is you can change this energy starting today. Check all your shoes and decide which ones deserve to stay in your life. Clean the ones that still have life in them. A good polish can make them shine like new. If some can be fixed, take them to be repaired. For the ones that are too old or damaged, thank them for their service and let them go with gratitude. When you take care of your shoes, something amazing happens. You start walking with more confidence and feel better about yourself. It's like telling the world, I care about my journey and I'm ready for good things to come my way. Remember, your shoes carry you toward your dreams and goals. When they're clean and well cared for, it's like clearing the path for better things to come into your life. Fresh, clean shoes mean fresh, new opportunities. Every step you take in well-maintained shoes is a step toward the success and abundance you deserve. 3. Objects. Belonging to people who have passed away. We often keep things that belong to people we've lost. Maybe a watch from Grandpa, old letters from Mom, or clothes from someone special who's gone. It's natural to want to hold on to these pieces of our loved ones. These items feel like they keep us connected to the people we miss. But sometimes, keeping too many of these items can be like living in a museum of memories instead of living in the present. Think about your home. Are there boxes of items you never open but can't let go of? Drawers full of things you keep just because they belong to someone you loved? While these items are precious, they might be holding you back from fully living your life today. Here's the beautiful truth. You don't need objects to keep your memories alive. The love, the lessons, the special moments you shared with those people, they're already safely stored in your heart. No one can take away your memories, even if you don't have all their things around you. This doesn't mean you need to get rid of everything. Maybe keep that one special necklace from Grandma that makes you smile, or that favorite book your dad used to read. Choose the items that truly warm your heart when you see them. For the rest, you can take a photo if you want. Thank them for being part of your journey, and let them go with love. When you make space in your home, you also make space in your life for new joys and experiences. It's like opening the windows to let fresh air flow through. You're not forgetting the people you love. You're honoring them by living fully in the present, just as they would want you to. By letting go of other items belonging to people who have passed, you're not abandoning their memories or disrespecting their legacy. On the contrary, you honor the cycle of life and allow stagnant energy to transform into space for new experiences and connections. This act is not merely symbolic. It holds the power to renew the energy of your home, opening pathways for a lighter present and a future full of possibilities. Practicing this detachment is an act of love for yourself and for the person who has passed. By freeing yourself from emotional ties, you allow new energies and moments to enter your life. 4. Clutter and disorganization. Clutter is more than just a visual nuisance. It blocks the positive energy that should flow freely through your home and life. When your surroundings are disorganized, the same happens internally. Your mind becomes confused, emotions feel heavy, and energy seems stagnant. An unorganized home reflects a chaotic mental state, creating a cycle that hinders prosperity and harmony. Think of your home's energy as a river. It should flow freely, without obstacles. Clutter acts like stones, blocking that flow and creating stagnant energy that can directly affect your life, finances, and relationships. Have you ever noticed how much better you feel in a clean and organized environment? This is no coincidence. To change this, start slowly but intentionally. Choose one corner of your home and dedicate time to organizing it. Donate what is no longer useful, throw away broken items, and tidy up what you truly love. You don't need to do everything at once. The key is to create a habit of maintaining organization and treating it as a ritual of renewal. Additionally, focus on creating a harmonious atmosphere in your home. Open windows to let in fresh air and sunlight, which help purify the space. Invest in plants that bring vitality and joy. A powerful tip: always keep your bed made. This simple habit fosters a sense of order and gratitude at the start of your day. By organizing your home, you are also organizing your life. You open space, not only physically, but also emotionally and spiritually, for good things to enter. Energy begins to circulate freely, bringing new opportunities, peace, and prosperity. Transform your home into a sanctuary of good vibes, and you will see this reflected in all areas of your life. 5. Excess technology in the bedroom. The bedroom should be a sanctuary of peace, a place where you recharge your energy and reconnect with yourself. However, the excess use of technology has turned this space into an extension of work and the digital world. As a result, tranquility and sleep quality are deeply affected. Devices such as cell phones, tablets, and televisions emit blue light and electromagnetic fields that interfere with your biological rhythm. Constant exposure makes it harder to relax, negatively impacts sleep, and even increases stress levels. Additionally, the habit of using your phone before bed stimulates your mind, making it more difficult to rest. Reflect on this. Is it truly necessary to bring the digital world into your bedroom? Try setting boundaries. Start by turning off devices at least an hour before bed. Use this time for relaxing activities such as reading, meditating, or having meaningful conversations with your partner. Keep your phone away from your bed, preferably in another room. If you need an alarm, set it to airplane mode. Another powerful tip is to completely eliminate the television from the bedroom. Transform this space into a refuge where you disconnect from the outside world and reconnect with yourself. Remember, the bedroom is not a place for distractions, but for rest and intimacy. By reducing technology in this space, you create an environment that nurtures relaxation and revitalization, allowing you to wake up feeling refreshed and ready to embrace new opportunities. In the bedroom, you create an environment conducive to quality sleep and harmony. The impact of this change goes beyond the physical. It improves your mental health, strengthens your relationships, and contributes to a more balanced life. Make your bedroom a sacred space where peace and renewing energy reign. Making these 6 changes in your home can bring amazing changes to your life. This isn't just about cleaning, it's about creating positive changes in your life and relationships. You don't need to spend lots of money, just put in some care and be ready to make changes. The results can surprise you. A note about money. Now, let's talk about something fascinating: money. Did you know people talk about money more than almost anything else? There's a reason for this. Money touches every part of our lives. How we live, what choices we make, even how peaceful we feel at night. Think about this. Out of all the wise teachings in history, money and how to handle it comes up more than almost any other topic. This shows us something important. Managing money well isn't just about getting rich. It's about creating a peaceful, stable life where you're not always worried about bills or debt. The good news is that the wisdom about handling money has been around for a long time. It's like having a treasure map that's been sitting right in front of you. When you understand these money principles, you can start making better choices that lead to real peace of mind, not just about money, but in your whole life. Money itself is not evil, but the obsession with it can lead to trouble. Obsession with wealth can cause people to lose their sense of purpose and face significant difficulties. Money reveals our true character. It can be a blessing or a curse. There are 2 fundamental principles to understand about money and possessions. First, everything in life belongs to the universe, the earth, and all that it holds. As we accumulate wealth, it's important to remember the broader perspective and not become consumed by it. When seeking to prosper, remember to prioritize what truly matters, and you will gain the ability to create wealth. Debt can hold you back and make you dependent on others, creating a cycle that limits your freedom. These principles are essential for wise and balanced financial management. With smart planning and diversification, you can protect your prosperity and thrive. By applying these teachings, it's not wrong to be wealthy. The problem arises when wealth is loved more than the greater good. Focus on what's important, and you'll unlock a prosperous future filled with abundance. If this message resonates with you, and you believe it can inspire others, give this video a like and subscribe for more transformative content. Stay tuned, there's much more to come. Until the next video,